days would all be the nights would seem so long. You would see forever, oh so clearly. Might have been love before.
Mababa na kasi.
Honey, we both know will take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing I can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. Don't change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Love all for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change the way. I love you just the way you are. So work with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Alam ko
Yun ang minsan lang, Pangalan.
I've never asked for more than your love. Nothing can change my love for you. You're right on my mind. Nothing change the whole life. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. How much I
Love you!
one thing you can be sure of.
Wait, ako love na nga, love.
Ating, pautin yan!
Oh, please.
Ating, sa'yo yan!
Oo, sige, sa kanya na lang to.
Hoy, huwag na marinig!
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Gonna change all ulit. You don't know by now how much I love you.
Di mo ba kayang ulitin? Oh!
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Meron ko dito! Kailangan si Eso!
Ako mo, nakapink ako, kitang-kita ko.
Nakakita po namin si Eso!
Yay!
Yay! Na-record pa! Yay!
May ilaw na po.
Yay! May ilaw na po. Nawala. Ayun.
Jerry King.
Pero nawala po ang kanta namin.
Nawala po yung
Bye-bye.
kanta, pakibalik po
Hindi
lang.
kinaya ang boses ni Erica. O ayaw lang talaga kay Masi.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Ayaw lang talaga kay Masi.
For ano? Dorel? Dorel?
Hoy, naka-record yan! Nakakainis! Ano daw, Dorel?
Walang purahan.
Ano? Diaz? Wait.
Penguin.
Ano yung gusto niyang apelido? Erica Eileen R.
R.
Diaz? Di ba? Sa Tronics?
Nakapangalan ka.
Oo. Ayun na. Woo!